everyone, welcome back to Yoga with RAMONI. Let's get started in a comfortable cross-legged position as we take some circles with our hands and our wrists. And now we just switch directions. Slowly sweep your arms up overhead, maybe touching your hands at the top. Take an inhale as you reach up a little bit taller. Exhale, twist to the right, placing your left hand on top of your right knee. With every inhale, you lengthen your spine and get a little bit taller. With every exhale, you twist a little bit deeper. Let's come back to center, reaching the arms up. Take a big inhale. Exhale, twist to the left. We come back to center, this time interlacing our fingers and pressing the palms forward. Start to extend your arms up overhead. Drop your head back, arch your back for a seated cow pose and round forward, pressing your palms forward, coming into a seated cat pose. Let's do that again. Reach up, reach back, look back, arch your back, and reach forward, rounding your spine, tucking your chin in towards your chest. Again, arch your back, reach back, expand your chest, and round forward. Let's come back up again. This time just leaning over to the right, feeling a stretch in the left side body. And now we go to the left. Lower your left hand, coming into your side body stretch. Reaching over with that right arm, maybe looking up at the ceiling. Start to fold over your left thigh, lowering your hand onto the bed, reaching the arms forward, relaxing the upper body, and taking some deep breaths. Slowly start to walk your hands towards the middle, relaxing your head, your neck, and your shoulders. Let's take a deep breath in through our nose and let it out. Slowly walk your hands over towards the right, folding over that right thigh. And now we come into that side body stretch, reaching that left arm over, maybe looking up towards the ceiling. And we come back to center. Let's just take some big shoulder circles to the back. And now we go to the front. Extend your left leg out to the side. And we're going into a forward fold over that leg. Walk your hands forward, flex the toes, relax the upper body, and take some deep breaths. Let's come into our side body stretch, lifting the left arm up and over. Come back to center. And now let's go to the other side. So we just bend that left leg, straighten the right, and you go into your forward fold. Side body stretch, lift that right arm up and over. Let's come into our butterfly, bringing the soles of our feet together. You can kind of press down on your thighs or your knees a little bit, maybe bouncing the legs. And then when your hips feel loose and open, you can start to walk your hands forward. Again, relaxing your head, your neck, and your shoulders, taking some deep breaths. Come back up, making your way into a full straddle position, straightening both legs out to the side. Let's walk our hands forward. If you have the room and it feels comfortable, you can rest your forehead or your cheek on the backs of your palms. We'll be here for a few moments, so just make sure you feel comfortable. We rise back up. You can place your right hand on your leg as you reach up and over with that left arm, maybe even reaching for those right toes. But if not, that is okay. Make your way to the other side. And let's come back up. We're gonna close our legs. You can shake your legs out a little bit if you need to. Extend your arms up overhead and forward fold. Make your way onto your back. Extend your right leg up towards the ceiling, grabbing behind that leg, pulling the leg closer to you, keeping that right foot flexed. And now we take our left hand, reaching for the right toes, gently guiding that right leg towards the left side of the room, but not too much, just until you feel a stretch in the right IT band. So really just bringing that right leg towards the left corner. Come back to center as you bend the right knee for a half happy baby, grabbing onto that right foot, and you have the option to straighten your left leg. Remember to breathe in and out through your nose. And now we come into our figure 4, placing that right ankle on top of the left knee. And you have the option to grab in front of that left knee or behind the left hamstring. Lower your feet back down onto the bed, and now we extend our left leg up towards the ceiling, grabbing behind the leg, pulling our leg closer to us. Take your right hand this time, reaching for the left toes. You gently lower that left leg over towards the right. We come back to center, making our way into our half happy baby. And now we come into our figure 4. Extend both legs up towards the ceiling, grabbing behind your legs, pulling them closer towards you. Maybe even lowering the legs all the way to the face. But if not, you already know that is okay. Do what feels good to you. Let's open up for our happy baby posture. For our final stretch, we're going to straighten both legs out to the sides, maybe pressing down on those legs, really feeling a deep stretch here. And we come into our final pose, our butterfly. Resting your hands on your belly, taking some deep breaths. Let's take a big inhale in through the nose and let it out through your mouth. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I hope that you feel stretched and relaxed. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below, including classes that I teach outside of YouTube and my weight loss programs. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel for more classes, and I'll see you in the next one.